everyone, welcome back to next episode of Mastery in Commerce. I hope you all are doing well and you have been practicing the questions of double entry, this double column cash book. We have been doing the practice of single column cash book, and we have done I think almost 5 questions of single column cash book. Now we are proceeding with the double column cash book, and the difference between both of them, let us have a quick recap. The difference between both of them is single column cash book has only one column and double column cash book has two columns, right? So we have done in the last video question number 4, which is given in your textbook on page number 153. Today we are proceeding with question number 5 on page number 154, right? So prepare a double column cash book with the help of following information for December 2016. Now these are the books which are prepared in the month of December and the year is 2016, right? So let us see. The first entry is given December 1st, started business with cash 1,20,000. So first of all, let us see the format. Date, receipt, cash bank, date, payment, cash bank, right? Ledger folio also comes after the receipt and payment column. Now 2016 is the year we have written on both the sides. December 1, two balance brought down in the cash column 1,20,000, which is the opening balance. Then we have cash paid into bank. So you remember I told you contra entry. Contra entry is when bank and cash both are getting affected. Now when cash is deposited into bank, what journal entry do we made? Bank account debit to cash, right? So what is and who is the receiver actually? Bank. But the entry on the buy side, bank's name will come and the amount will go in cash column. In the debit side, cash will come and the amount will go in bank column, because bank is actually the receiver. So by bank, we will write C over here in the LF column, so that your teacher comes to know that you know it is a contra entry, right? So by bank 50,000 and then to cash in the bank column 50,000. Now purchase goods from Sushmita. Now remember, over here purchase goods from Sushmita means this is a credit purchase. Don't record this. In the cash book, we only record the cash transactions, not the credit transactions, right? So over here it is not mentioned purchase goods from Sushmita for cash. So we will not deposit it. Cash is not involved. Go to December 6, sold goods to Dinkar and received a check. Now remember, when like this transaction is given, when you receive a check but you have not deposited it in bank, it is not mentioned that you have received a check and deposited on the same day. You will see in the next questions it will be given. If it is deposited in the bank on the same day, then we will put it in the bank column. But if we have received a check and it is not mentioned that we have deposited into bank, then we will keep it into cash column. So what we have done? We have done the sale, sold goods to Dinkar, received a check. So 2 sales, and we have put 20,000 in cash column for now. Now paid to Sushmita cash. Now this entry will come. So we have paid to Sushmita. So what is the journal entry? The journal entry is Sushmita account debit to cash. So Sushmita 20,000 in cash column. Now next is check received on December 6 deposited into bank. Now it is given the information that check is deposited into bank. So when check is lying in the cash and we are depositing into bank, so again it will be a contra entry. So by bank in the cash column 20,000 and to cash in the bank column 20,000, right? Now sold goods to Rani. Now again it is not mentioned for cash, so we will not record it. Cartage paid in cash. So cartage will be cartage account debit to cash. So by cartage 500. Then received cash from Rani. Now this will come in this. Now we have received cash from Rani. So Rani is the giver. So cash account debit to Rani is the journal. So December 22 to Rani in the cash column 12,000. Then commission received. So we have received commission. Commission is my income. So what it will be? Cash account debit to commission received. So commission received has come in the receipt column and in the cash column 5,000. Now drew cash for personal use. Whenever I am taking out cash for personal use, it is called as drawing. So drawing account debit to cash. Okay. So this drawing will be written over here and in the cash column 2,000. Now the question is over. we have to check the balance. What we will do? We will do the total of this side. When we do the total of this side, we get 1,57,000. So this will be written on both the sides. When we do the total of this side, we will subtract it from, so total of this side will come 92,500. So when we subtract 92,500 from this amount, we get 64,500. Right? Now we see in bank column in the credit side, nothing is written. So just the total of this side is going to be a balance. No need to subtract anything. Right? So this gives us the balance of this, and then I hope you remember how do we copy it for the next year. It will be written to balance brought down. So the balance is 645,500 for cash, and for bank it is 70,000. Like this we close our cash book. Cash book is over. Okay, so these journal entries are actually for your help when you get confused that where to record which entry. Whenever any kind of confusion is there, please do the journal entry. And always remember, basics are always going to help you till you reach to the stage of final accounts. So don't forget how and why we are doing one entry on the debit side, other entry on the credit side. The golden rules keep in your mind every time whenever you are getting confused. I hope you understood this question and you tried it yourself also. You can check if you were stuck up in any of the entry or you were not able to understand how to find the balance or why my balance is not coming. I request you to please try question number 6. In my next video, I will be coming up with the solution of question number 6. By then, please keep practicing, keep revising what you have already learned, because everything is going to be again interrelated in the final accounts. And anyways, you all have to prepare a project also which will be having all these topics. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. We will meet again in the next video. Bye for now.